Hi PJ Masks fans! Welcome to the PJ Masks Night Villain game! It's time to spin the wheel again, and this time we have evil villains from PJ Masks and our favorite Disney Jr. and Nick Jr. shows. We have Romeo, Night Ninja, Crusher from Blaze and the Monster Machines, Captain Hook, Luna Girl, and Ninjalino. These villains stole our toys and hid them underneath their circles. Are you ready to spin the wheel with me and take back our toys from the evil villains? Let's go! Wow, look at the wheel spinning! It's so fast! And the wheel landed on Night Ninja from PJ Masks. Okay, PJ Masks fans, do you know the name of Night Ninja's little helpers? Let me know in the comments. Okay, let's poke a hole in the Night Ninja circle and see what's inside. Oh no! I found some red slime. Night Ninja slimed us so we couldn't find the toys. Is there anything under the slime? Nice! We found a Captain America figure! You have red slime all over you! Captain America is wearing a blue costume and carrying a big shield. Now let's make his head bubble. He has stars both on his chest and shield. Look, he even has the letter A on his mask. Awesome! Is there anything else left inside the Night Ninja circle? Nope, I think that's it. Now let's spin the wheel again to see who the next villain is. I like the cool lights on the wheel. Cool! It's Captain Hook from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Captain Hook is an evil pirate who rides a pirate ship named the Jolly Roger. Okay, are you ready to poke the Captain Hook circle? Wow! Captain Hook hid his toys inside a bunch of cereal. This cereal looks so colorful and yummy. Let's see what toys are underneath the cereal. Awesome! It's a Transformer toy. Let's open it up and take a closer look. This Transformer is called Underbite. He is purple and he looks like a dog here. Now let's watch him transform. First, you push down his head like this and turn his front legs. And turn his back legs like this. Now Underbite has transformed into a brand new robot. This is so cool. I love Transformers. Let's see if there's anything left inside the Captain Hook circle. No, only the yummy rainbow colored cereal. So let's go ahead and spin the wheel again. Who do you think we'll land on next? I think it will be Romeo. It's Romeo! We were right! Romeo is mean, but he's one of my favorite villains. Who is your favorite night villain? Let me know in the comments. Let's see what's inside this Romeo circle. Oh no, Romeo! You slimed us! It's black slime! But wait! I found something inside the black slime! Wow! It's a pair of Romeo's glasses! Romeo must have left his glasses inside this icky black slime. Look! The glasses fit on Romeo's face! Let's check if there are more toys inside. It's Darth Vader from Star Wars. He's holding a red lightsaber. His black cape is covered with the sticky black slime. Sorry, Darth Vader. Blame it on Romeo. I think that's all the toys in this Romeo circle. Now let's spin the wheel again. Who will be next? It's a Ninjalino from PJ Masks. I love the Ninjalinos because they're so funny and silly. Let's poke a hole. 1, 2, 3. Wow, the Ninjalino left us a huge pile of lollipops. Look at all the colorful flavors. Thank you, Ninjalino. And I found a big blind box inside the lollipops. It's a Zootopia blind box. Zootopia is such a funny movie. I wonder which character we got. It's Mayor Lionheart. Mayor Lionheart is the mayor of Zootopia. It's so funny seeing a big lion wearing a suit. It looks like that's all the Ninjalinos have for us. Let's move on to the next character and spin the wheel. Wow, that is a big spin. I wonder which villain will be next. It's Luna Girl. Luna Girl always steals toys from the PJ Masks at nighttime using her Luna board, and she's always followed by moths. Let's find the toys hidden underneath Luna Girl. Wow, it's filled with magic purple sand. This sand feels so soft and smooth. Luna Girl, it's time to give back all your toys. Nice! We just found a Paw Patrol figure. This is Everest. Everest is Paw Patrol's snowy mountain pup, and she helps clear snows from the roads during snowstorms. What a cool job! Let's see what else is inside Luna Girl. It's Bomb from Angry Birds. He's black and looks exactly like a bomb. He loves to crash into things and explode. Okay, I think that's all for Luna Girl. Okay, we have one more spin left. Let's make this spin really big. There it goes. It landed on Crusher from Blaze and the Monster Machines. Crusher is Blaze's biggest rival, and he likes to cheat when he races Blaze. Okay, Crusher, here I come. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Crusher slimed us with blue slime. It's so icky. Let's take a look inside. Wow, we found a Marvel blind bag. Awesome! Let's open it up. Here's the collector's guide. And here we have Iron Man Mark 1. His color is so cool. Is there any other toys hidden inside the slime? Nice! It's Blaze! Blaze is coming to beat Crusher. His 4 tires look so big. Blaze must drive so fast. Is there anything else inside? No, it looks like there's nothing inside the blue slime. I had so much fun in this night villain game. We found black slime in Romeo, blue slime in Crusher, purple sand in Luna Girl, red slime in Night Ninja, rainbow colored cereal in Captain Hook, and lollipops in the Ninjalino circle. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments which characters you want to see next time. Thanks for watching. This is